Here's my progress from days 22 and 23. It's the beginning of day 24. But I've got the balloons done, the rainbow, the birds, the mammals and reptiles in the water down to the water line. I got a lot of sky to fill in, a lot of stars, and a dolphin splashing up out of the water goes there. But I'm ready to start the second half of it, the fish and the coral. This is the amount of tiles left. This little pile here of odds and ends. But today I'll get started on the bottom half of it, and still hoping that by the weekend section number 2 here will be totally done and we'll be ready to start the second half of this mega puzzle. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later on tonight maybe if I get some more done. And I ain't gonna work on it too hard today, but I'll get a little bit done. See ya.